Rick's lumberyard has 480 yards of fencing, and he's going to enclose a rectangular area. If the enclosed area is X yards long, express its area as a function of its length. So begin by sketching a diagram of the rectangular shape, and using the information that the enclosed area is X yards long, then I know that this dimension is X, and the other side, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, so the other side's also X. So that means that these other two sides, which are also equal measures, I have 480 yards of fencing total to split up between all four sides here. So right now I have 480 yards minus these two sides, which are both X yards, so that would be minus 2X yards. But I have to split 480 minus 2X up into each separate dimension here, or side. So if you divide that by 2, you get 240 minus X for those two sides. So the dimensions, the area is length times width, and so the area of this rectangle is going to be X times 240 minus X. Or if you distribute in clear parentheses, the area would be 240x minus x squared. A similar example is next, but with a different shape. A seamstress is designing a triangular flag so that the length of the base of the triangle in inches is 7 less than twice the height. Express the area of the flag as a function of the height. So we have a triangle shape. We know that the base, which is this bottom horizontal segment, is 7 less than twice the height. So we want to interpret that expression using symbols. So begin with twice the height. Twice the height would be 2h, or 2 times the height. 7 less than that is subtracting 7 from that. So the base is 2h minus 7. So then my other dimension is just going to take the variable that I used here, which is h, and just have regular h for the height. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that would be 1/2 times 2h minus 7 times h. If you clear the first parentheses, 1/2 times 2h is h. 1/2 times -7 is -7/2, and then we can multiply that by the other h and clear that parentheses. So h times h is h squared, minus 7/2 times h is 7/2 h. So that would be the area of the triangle in terms of the height. So for both of these, because we're doing the areas in terms of height, or in the first one it was in terms of length, you can go ahead and say for the first one a of x equals, because we're doing an x for our variable. Now for the triangle area, I'm using an h for the variable, so I would say a of h equals, or the area in terms of the height equals.